Every year, thousands of women converge in one city for a Women in Tech conference. This year, it was in Orlando. Lines to register and get your badge can get extremely long. Plan to pick it up a day early so you're not stuck in lines like this. Everyone, it's time for day one of Grace Hopper. I've got my badge on, and I'm ready to rumble. Let's go!
To know we're not alone, to make sure women in tech are seen, to advance our cause. Just as we've done for 25 years, we will work together to create opportunity, to encourage brilliant young minds, to recognize those who recognize our talents and contributions. We will let the world know women in tech achieve amazing things. Women in tech achieve results. Women in tech deserve recognition. We will support each other. Do our part. Commit to making technology an equitable place for all. At Grace Hopper Celebration, we will.
Welcome to the Grace Hopper Celebration stage. President and CEO of AnitaB.org, Brenda Darden Wilkerson.
Well, good morning. Well, I can't tell you how happy I am to see you.
Right after the kickoff, everyone rushes to the career fair. This is what tens of thousands of women on a mission look like. If you don't want to beat the crowds, head to one of the many sessions that are offered throughout the day instead. For those who do check out the career fair, there's a ton of booths inside from all the top companies. It's a little overwhelming, but it's also exciting at the same time. For lunch, you can check out the food court that has a handful of different stands with food. Or check out the couple of offerings that are in the hallways along the way.
We know computing is not a single gender, single identity, single age, single ethnicity, or single background skill set. We know that excluding us from tech is a choice. Look around you. Why would anyone not choose to have this intellect drive talent in their company?
You will never hear me say my gender is recognized more than my abilities. I am a woman in technology.
every Grace Hopper is the goodbye party at the convention center, full of music, snacks, and dancing. And that's a wrap with Grace Hopper.
Let's make some noise!
Nosotras cambiaremos el mundo.
Nous allons changer le monde.
हम दुनिया बदलेंगे.
我们将会改变世界。
We will change the world.